How to set full photo on caller screen in iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the phone application on your phone. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Contacts. You can view all your contacts over here. Scroll down and select the contact you want to update. You can view the contact details over here. Go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. And then, tap on Add Photo below the profile photo. Choose your poster from the options below. For example, Photos. Select the photo you want from here. Swipe to view all the effects and then tap on Done above. Get a preview of the poster and tap on Continue. Tap on Continue again. After that, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily set full photo on caller screen in iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.